morning, everybody. We are two bots and a dog, and have to apologize for not being very active on YouTube at the moment. Although we are exceptionally busy on the behind the scenes. So at the moment, the ute is now finished. We have 400 amps of power, 3000 watt inverter. We've got fridges, we've got an oven, but today we are just finishing with our 230-270 awning, and there are a couple of things that need to be done before we can proceed. So stick around and I'll show you exactly what we're going to be doing. So what we're going to do today is we're going to remove the 180 Dashi awning. There's nothing wrong with it. It is a year old, but the problem is that we've got a 23.0 and we work from the back, so we're putting a 270 on, and the 270 will give us plenty of cover all the way around while we're busy cooking. So we got brackets. These have got little grooves in. These little grooves at the end of the day will be able to mount the 270 awning onto it. So at the moment, I'm just going to remove these brackets over here, which were actually extended brackets that I've already purchased. And I've got tie gear or tie equipment just to keep it in shape, and then I can drop it. So let's get this going. Right, so the next thing that we have to do is remove this one, and this one, so that we can put these brackets on like that, so that it's not going to be in the way of the 270 awning. So let me remove those quickly. All right, so I've put the brackets on. It's sturdy. This I've kept. These are the brackets for extension. So when the 270 awning, it's not going to be in this way. I just don't really like the bits of rubber. So we'll see how that goes. And then just on the other side, so this is still for the ladder. And there we go. To there. So now I'm going to start putting the 270 awning on. All right, so I've measured the brackets. And here I've measured from the side. You actually have to put the 8mm screw in. Obviously you have to make a smaller hole in this canvas, which I'm not very happy about, but I understand. So I've used a square. There we go, all perfect. Look, go in there. And there we have it. And then of course I will put the bracket on, just like that. And on this one, which is also going to be a bit difficult, there. Right, so that's that done. So now what we do is just put this one in. Hopefully it's been aligned properly. There you go. Perfect.
Cool. It,
Just get it a little bit tight with these brackets. Let's have a look. If it is, it's going to be tight. Alright, so this is the part that I actually want to see if it goes around.
yeah.
Actually, that's not bad.
That's tight. It's great. She's a big. Wow.
Let me just grab this one then. Pull it.
Yep.
Just.
Nice.
And then that could be tied to that. And we have it. So,
Yeah, that's okay.
this is what we want. Let's have a quick look. So we've got cables. That one is for the other side. So it's 1, 2, 3. And this one. Obviously, we would tighten it up and make it nice and neat. There. Look now. Look in. There. I'm not going to tidy them up at the moment, but switch on. Here's the lighting. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
And then we can dim it, brighten it, and change it to an orange as well.
Fantastic.
And the creme de la creme of this whole awning, because we're going to get into the rooftop tent.
Through this little top here.
This is one of the biggest hatches.
Well, hello.
So that you can get
And in this
into the
got
rooftop
all
tent.
that room. That's fantastic, right? Great zippers.
It's a good quality. So, and it's really dark under here.
Yeah, that's
It
it.
would be pretty interesting to see what it's going to be like at night.
That's it.
But I'm really impressed.
Good position.
Obviously, I've still got to tighten up these brackets and everything.
Falcon Extreme.
So let's just do the reverse. Cut quite windy.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Didn't something fold up? Oops. She's escaped. Come back.
Put it like that. And left. There we are.
Lovely.
Now I've got to tighten it. A couple of bolts that I've still got to tighten, but
Well done.
there you go.
This time. Cool.
Two bolts and a dog. So thank you very much for watching, guys. As you can see, this is not a real educational video, but I am very, very happy if you want to send me a comment and I will tell you exactly anything of the stages that I've missed. So yeah, that's all for now. I'm going to try and post another video at a later stage with the lights and a few other bits and pieces that I've done just to give you guys some ideas. Remember, this is just a channel for us, family and friends to come and watch it, but you are more than welcome to join us. So have a fantastic day and have an enjoyable week as well. So catch you on the flip side, guys. Have a good one. Bye.